Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data science application using Moore and DL techniques.
Part 11.
So this is the output I have generated. This is the graph I have generated, linear regression. Same way, multiple linear regression I'm using. Because of time I'm moving. So now this is the program. Import NumPy as NP, import matplotlib, pyplot as a PLT. I'm taking X values. X is array. X values I'm taking minus 5.02, 5.0, comma 0.1. Y is equal to np dot power of x comma 2 x square. I'm calculating x square, and y noise value 2 multiplied by function I'm applying np dot random of normal size is equal to x dot size. I'm calculating y data. Then I'm plotting the graph. Plot dot here plt dot plot of x comma y data, plt dot plot of x comma y comma r value. Then dependent variable, independent variable, and plot plt.show. Now I'm going to show this one demonstration. Please see, I'm going to execute this program, nonlinear regression. First, I'll open notepad space nonlinear.py. This is the program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. I'm going to share with you this PPT, don't worry. To perform, you can execute in any time, and you can ask anytime. I'm available in the WhatsApp and the mail. To perform nonlinear regression. Nonlinear regression. Okay, so this is the program I have saved. Now I'm executing this program. Please see Python space nonlinear.py. Now it is, see, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Next program also I'm executing without explaining theory concept. I think theory everybody knows. Logistic regression based on the binary in nature. Dependent variable is binary in nature. It gives true or false. Okay, see the difference between linear regression and logistic regression. So x-axis and y-axis, and in logistic regression, either true or false. So based on the input for x values, x1, x2, x3, x4 values, probabilities linear model, I'm choosing 0.5, 0.8, 0.1, 0.2. I'm applying sigmoid function, values of between 0 and 1, 0.1, 0.9. So now I'm generating this. This is the code I'm using, and I'm going to execute now. See now, I'm going to execute. So notepad space logistic.py. See, this is the code. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform logistic regression. Perform logistic regression. Save and execute now. Now you can write. I'm sharing this PPT. You can write. Somebody is asking, sir, Sudhakar sir, in the chat box, some questions are coming. Please read and tell me, sir. Python space logistic.py. See, I'm executing logistic regression. See now, we
sir,
got
excuse me.
Yeah, yes.
There are some questions regarding if you could share the code for different algorithms. This is what is from Dr. Murli Krishna. In chat box.
I'm sharing the PPT itself, sir. 850 slides. I have prepared my course for data science, entire course.
Okay.
All the programs and I kept code and output, everything, and guidelines how to execute, explanation, everything I kept, Muralidhar sir. I'm going to share with you. Okay.
That's great. Yeah, that's it.
So this is the logistic regression. Now I am moving to next module is artificial intelligence. What is meant by artificial intelligence? Intelligent behavior in a machine is called a robot. The science and engineering to develop intelligent mission applications like humanoid robot. Recently, Sophia, you know Sophia? Sophia is a humanoid robot, and she took citizenship of Saudi Arabia. You know, she
Yes,
can
sir.
do, yeah, all the activities it is performing. So not only Sophia, there are various humanoid robots like Chinko, Chihira, Asimo, okay, and a few more humanoid robots are available. Right now, they are working. So we are developing various applications by using AI techniques, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, logistic regression with ANN, convolutional neural networks. These are the top 10 most popular AI models we are using. So I'm going to demonstrate now various techniques. Sudhakar sir, how much time is there, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, madam. Anyone? How
Hello,
much
sir.
time
Yeah,
is
please
there?
tell me. Yeah.
How much?
I just tell you.
So that
It is around 12.
Sir?
I'll
12:20?
tell you that it is 12:26.
Yeah. I'll continue
26.
10 more minutes. I'll show the all the PPT what I
No,
have
not an issue.
executed, sir.
No,
Then we
not
will
an issue
invite
at
the
all, sir.
queries because of time.
Please,
Uh,
Please,
Yeah,
please
10
proceed
subjects
further.
are this. Yeah. I'm showing the
Right.
execution part. Top 10 5 algorithms I'm showing right now. So this is multiple linear regression, non-linear regression. This is the output I have generated right now. And see, this is support vector machine. So support vector machine is for heart disease data set. Now I am going to execute this heart disease data set prediction. I have collected data set from Kaggle, GitHub, UCI website repository, and now I am going to demonstrate this one. This is the data set I have collected, like age and gender and cholesterol and FBS, resting, all the symptoms of heart disease, heart disease data set input I have taken, and I am going to generate how many patients are likely to get heart attack, and how many participants they won't get heart attack. Please see now, I am going to demonstrate. See now, so just I'm opening notepad space, support vector machine. Okay, so this is the program for heart disease data set. Okay, so I have written the code, and now I'm executing this one, Python space support vector machine dot py, svm.py. Now see, I have taken 61 patients data, just for testing purpose, 61 patients data I have taken. 26 patients, they won't get a heart disease, and 35 patients, there may be a chance of getting heart disease. So I got accuracy of 61 patients. Like see now, accuracy 65%, precision 0.6, and recall 0.97 percentage. So like this, we can execute n number of programs, n number of applications. So now I am going to show you one more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.